Ito yung dahilan mga kapatid bakit nung araw, when I was a teenager, ang kadalasang karelasyon ko mas matanda sa akin is either isang taon, dalawa, tatlo. Pinakamalaking tanda sa akin siguro 10 years. Ganyan. Kunwari, I was 18 and she's 28. Yun siguro ang pinakamalaki. Um, Marami ring mas bata or kaedad. When I was younger, mas madalas yung kasigidad o mas matanda. When I was in my mid-20s, syempre mas marami ng mas bata. 30s, meron pa rin mas matanda sa akin. Pero siguro karamihan mas bata na. You know why mabenta ang mga single mom? Di ba maraming jokes about single mom, etc. Hindi sila clingy. Kasi sometimes, bibigyan nila yung sarili nila and then kung fuckboy ka lang o gago ka, bahala ka. So they're nice like that. I mean this in a good way. Uh, Actually, I have a theory na hinubog din ako ng mga hindi lang marami akong sinasabi about older guys na naging mentor ko kasi I was teenager, matatanda na yung kasama. But sa relationship, yung mga single mom nakita ko masisipag. Alam mo yung galing na sila sa trabaho, minsan daraan sa'yo, may anak silang uuwian para asikasuhin. Bago nila asikasuhin yun, asikasuhin ka pa. See? And siguro sa pagiging tatay ko ngayon, marami rin ako natutunan sa kanila. Kudos to sa mga kwento nila and how kung ano yung mga tinatry kong iwasan doon sa mga sinasabi nilang tatay na walang kwenta. Isa pa, totoo yung sinasabi niya pagdating sa pagkain. Older women o yung may mga anak na, kadalasan yan may snacks. At hindi lang yun, kadalasan yan pagsisilbihan ka.
Suerte, suerte.
Usually pag younger na babae, Diyos ko katatamad. Hindi pa nila alam yung concept ng obligasyon. Para rin sila mga lalaki lang na, ano yan, punta ka sa boarding house ng isang 21-year-old na nagtatrabaho, Diyos ko ang kalat. Kadalasan. Or dalaga, ang ganda-ganda, nag-aaral. Halika, wala si Dita, pasok ka dito. Papasok ka doon. Walang pagkain. Walang tubig na inumin. Gusto mo, tara, bili tayo. Siyempre, ikaw bibili kadalasan. Di mga single mom or older, putya, may ashtray pa. Ayaw nila magkalat ka, bibigyan ka nila ng ashtray. Kailangan mo ng kape, meron. Nauhaw ka, pagkatapos nyo, meron. Yun ang mga bagay na meron sa kanila. Hindi naman lahat. Pero kadalasan ng mga single mom and older women na mature na, yun ang bagay na highly attractive sa kanila. Marunong magsilbi, may papakain sa'yo, may inumin ka, may kape ka, ayaw ka nila magkalat, may ashtray ka, mamasahihin ka pa. At hindi lang yun, malalim na yung isip. Masarap ng kakwentuhan, hindi lang yung sila yung matututo sa'yo, matututo ka rin sa kanila, may matututunan ka sa kanila kasi meron silang pinagdaanan na hindi mo pinagdaanan. Whether the single mom is younger than me, marami akong natututunan sa kanya. Especially raising a child. And syempre, when the person is older than me naman, marami akong natututunan sa kanya, especially sa kanyang profession. Kasi nauna siya sa akin dun sa particular profession na yun. So, God bless.
And so, see, I could. This is a good conversation because I ain't dating you unless you got kids. You got to have one, maybe two, because for one, everybody eats for one. But I just like women that have kids. And somebody asked me on Instagram, why they got to have kids? Because women with kids have structure. They have discipline because they have kids, and women that don't have kids, they never have snacks in the pantry. I like to get up 3, 4 in the morning and get a Capri Sun and steal some of the kids' snacks. And women that don't have kids don't never have no food, Unc. And you know what they always want to do? Go out and eat. With no kids, always want to go out to eat and give looks like it's a goddamn fashion show. This ain't no fashion show. I'm hungry. 3 in the morning. Capri Sun deep. Do you know what Capri Sun tastes like at 3 in the morning after a session? Nah, hopefully I'll sleep at 3 a.m. Now, you ain't hear me. Oh, I was fashion. You know, you have to have this. Man, yeah, don't you man say it? Let me ask you something. I ain't trying to be funny. please tell me you've had a honey bun in the microwave, warm it up for 12 seconds, nice and hot with a Capri Sun. No, a zebra cake. All I love is zebra cake. Yeah, I have zebra cakes. I don't like to eat after what unfested. I just want something cool. Cause my heart beat real fast. Yeah, okay, I understand. Well, for me, I purposely, first time, and I can tell you a story because, Chad, we family. I can tell you, I was dating a woman. She was about, I was probably 27 at the time. And she had kids. She was, it's about 53. She was 53. I was 27, 20. Yeah, she was about 53. No, I stayed the night and, whatever. And it was time to go. She woke me up 3 in the morning and say, baby, you got to go. You can't stay here. I said, what you mean? I said, you came here and you did your business and what you need to do. Now, I'm going to give you a snack and a Capri Sun, but you got to go. I'm like, wait a minute. Like, yeah, I did the walk of shame with food. At least she kicked me out with food. Now, I felt bad, but at least she sent me home with something to eat and something on my stomach.